Hey YouTube family, do you want to learn how to make some smacking jumbo lump crab dip in less than 3 minutes? If so, I'm 695 John, and I got you right after this. What a wonderful world. Okay guys, here's your ingredients. Hey guys, we're going to start here with our softened cream cheese. Make sure it's not super cold. You want it to be about room temperature or a bit warmer. Maybe put it in the microwave for 15 seconds or so. Mix that up. You're going to add your mayo, about a half a cup, give or take. I usually start off by adding not the full amount in the beginning, and then I add more later. Mix that up, add your minced garlic and onion. Okay guys, we're going to add a nice hearty pinch of shredded cheese here. Give it a nice mix. And then hit it with your seasoning. I'm using pepper, Cajun seasoning, Old Bay, and parsley, but you can add whatever you want pretty much. Alright guys, it's time for the main ingredient, the pound of lump crab meat. So when you add your crab meat, you do not want to stir it. You want to more so fold it because you don't want to rip all the lumps apart. When you go to eat it and dip it, you want to get the good lumps on your cracker or your bread, whatever you choose to use. Okay guys, so here I'm just going to add a little bit more cheese and mayo to get the consistency I'm looking for. So you may like yours a little bit different from how I like mine. I like mine nice and thick and cheesy. So I'm just going to add a bit more seasoning just to get to my desired taste, and I'm going to add it into my cooking dish. So just even everything out, make it nice and pretty. We're going to add it into our preheated oven at 350 for about 25 to 30 minutes, just until we get to that nice golden brown look. Hey fishies. Alright guys, so about 30 minutes later, look what we have. It's all done with that perfect golden brown look. Doesn't that look good, guys? So you want to let it rest for about 10 to 15 minutes, and after that, it's all yours. Good job, guys. You did it. You made it through. What a wonderful world. Yes, perfect, guys. I'm 695 John. Please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.